Ethereum explained for beginners. In terms of market share, Ethereum is second only to Bitcoin. It is a general purpose blockchain, meaning it has multiple use cases. And this is what first got me interested in Ethereum. Now, before we start, nothing I say in today's video is financial advice. It's for information only. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 1. Ethereum Basics, 2. What it can be used for, and 3. The future of Ethereum. Right, let's get into it. Ethereum Basics. The white paper was released by its co-founder Vitalik Buterin in 2013. The Ethereum blockchain was launched in 2015. It is the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. Ethereum enables smart contracts and applications to be built on its blockchain. Ethereum is a decentralized computing network built on blockchain technology. It has multiple use cases. Ethereum 1.0 currently uses proof of work as its consensus mechanism. Ethereum 2.0 will use proof of stake, and this is a transition that is now underway. But what is proof of work? Proof of work blockchain models verify transactions through a consensus algorithm that requires miners to solve a cryptographic equation by trial and error. This requires expensive computers and uses up a significant amount of energy. Think huge computers solving really complex mathematical code. Those that verify the transactions first receive compensation in the form of coins. And what is proof of stake? Proof of stake is a consensus algorithm that requires miners to stake all or a portion of their coins to validate transactions. Miners are chosen to verify a block randomly, but those who have a larger stake or have been staking longer have an advantage. The miners chosen must all agree to verify transactions. After they have verified a block, it is added to the chain and they receive a fee in the form of cryptos. If they don't verify it properly, their own stake will be affected and they will lose some or all of their coins. This provides more security to the process, and since there is no incentive to cheat or steal coins. 2. What can Ethereum be used for? As I touched on at the beginning, Ethereum has multiple use cases. One of the main use cases is DeFi, decentralized finance, and this is basically traditional banking. You can do everything that you can in normal banking, but without the intermediary, without the banker, and this makes it faster and cheaper. Other use cases include DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, NFTs, so you can buy music, you can buy art, smart contracts. So if you think buying a house now, you have to use a solicitor, sign on the dotted line, sign contracts. This would be done on the blockchain. Basically, when you look further into it, when you do the research, the way we bank, the way we do business, the way we do everything is going to be done on the blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain has the capability to do everything you need with finance, business, everything. That's if you believe in the technology. 3. The future of Ethereum. Currently, there are some issues with Ethereum, and this is mainly the cost, the gas fees involved with every transaction, and the speed. And this is because the network has become very congested. Basically, Ethereum has become a victim of its own success. There's too many people using it with the current blockchain, the proof of work. And this has led to congestion, a bottleneck if you like, and high gas fees and really slow transactions. And this is an issue for users. This is an issue for people who use the Ethereum network. This is where Ethereum 2.0 comes in as Ethereum transitions to proof of stake. Now, the transition from proof of work to proof of stake is very complex, and there has been some delays, but so far so good. The testing so far, the testnet has been successful so far, and If this transition to proof of stake goes to plan, many believe that the price of Ethereum will go up significantly, like 10x from its current price of around $1,500. This transition to proof of stake, if successful, will improve the speed, the efficiency, the scalability, and reduce them gas fees. That is the plan. And if it goes well, the sky's the limit for Ethereum. The price will go up massively. It will go up as well because of the triple halving that's happening, which is basically reducing the supply of Ethereum. Because I'm so bullish on Ethereum, I've been dollar cost averaging into Ethereum over the last few months and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. This is because I believe in Ethereum and I believe in the future of Ethereum. Hopefully today's video has helped you understand Ethereum basics, and it's given you that nudge, that push, so that you go away and learn about Ethereum yourself. Go away, learn about Ethereum, and if you believe in it as I do, then you can invest. Just don't rush in without doing the necessary research. So if you've liked today's content, if you've liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you've really liked it, subscribe to the video and help me get my content out there. Thanks for listening.